Hi friends, my name is Prasanna Gadkari and I am author of a blog called Teacup Blog, using which I have guided more than 400 students into IITs and NIDs. Today let us see what are the most frequently asked questions in IITs and NIDs. These questions are asked irrespective of the course you have applied, so they are more generic in nature. So first question, what are the passions and aspirations that you want to achieve? For answering this question, you have to first talk about what you are good at. This includes your strengths. For example, you can say that I am very passionate about sketching. And then about aspiration, you can say that you want to become an automobile designer. So you can take this together and say something like this, that I have a passion about sketching and therefore I wish to become an automobile designer where the sketching skill will be coming to great use while styling of the vehicle, as I work in one of the multinational companies who design automobile. A complete answer such as this will surely ace your chances of getting the seat that you wish to get into. Second question, which is asked very frequently, at what if we don't offer you admission for this particular course? And many times people are shocked by hearing this because they are not prepared for this question. So be sure that you are prepared to answer something on these lines, that even if this year I don't make it to this course, over the next year I will improve my skills and appear for this course once more. This will make sure that you impress upon them that you are very passionate about attending this course, no matter what the outcome is. Question number 3. They will ask you, what is your greatest achievement? Now for this question, don't answer anything like you won a running race or stuff like that, but you have to speak in terms of the course you have applied for. For example, a good answer to this question is that I have applied for interaction design course, and I am so passionate about the interaction design course that last year I was able to intern with one of the non-government organization, and I consider this to be my greatest achievement. During the internship, I was able to learn a lot of stuff that I would not have normally been able to learn during my academic career. Answering this way will ensure that you show them that you are very passionate about the course and also your greatest achievements align with this course as well. Question number 4. They will ask you that why have you applied for this particular course? Again, your answer ties back to the answers of the previous question, namely that A. You are passionate about the course, B. You already have done several things related with the course, such as doing some freelance or doing something out of your own interest with that course, and C. In the future, you aim to do something more after learning something from this course. A typical answer to this question would be that I wish to attend this course because I see myself becoming an automobile designer in one of the big companies that design automobiles, and in the past I have interned with some of the companies, say XYZ company, and also I am passionate about sketching, the skill which I will hone to a good extent if I undertake this course. Fifth question they often ask is, why did you choose a particular project in your portfolio? Your answer would be something like this. I am very passionate about the environment. I wish to make people aware the kind of activities that damage the environment, and therefore I have chosen to design this particular poster that you see in my portfolio. By doing this, I wish to communicate that environment is very precious to all of us, and therefore I have depicted it in a certain way. And you can go ahead and describe the way. Thereby they will understand that there is some sort of theme and some sort of passion you have towards the environment, and you are able to express that using the skills that you are down the line going to learn in this course. The final and the most important question they often ask is that who is your favorite dash dash dash. This favorite could be who is your favorite product designer, who is your favorite animator. Make sure that you prepare an answer to this question. They will typically ask you that why you like their work. Therefore, your answer should be completed in that way. For example, you can say that I like, say, Dieter Rams for his product design and his contribution to the things that he has done while working at Braun, and that you like his work, particularly the ET66 calculator, because it represents the minimalistic idea of a calculator. Now you can specifically say this in more Indian context. However, be sure that you know the names correctly. The people from, say, NID or from IIT would have better impact if you name them. Now, with this, I will close this particular set of questions, but there could be many more questions that are very specifically asked to you based on the answers you give here. So make sure you prepare accordingly. I hope that you find this video useful, and if you have any comments, please feel free to write them in the section below. I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you.